At the risk of grabbing a guitar and singing Kumbaya here, like this really has to be a partnership, right? And so I think that's one of the fallacies with cyber insurance that, you know, we're all out to get you, right? And, you know, we're going to screw everyone over. And it's just, it couldn't be further from the truth, right? When you're looking at a company, their service providers who are offering them IT support or resilience, and an insurance carrier, those three people all have the same interest at heart here. Don't let that company get hacked, right? The company doesn't want to go through it because they've got the brand reputation. The companies that are supporting them, the service providers, their reputation is also on the line, as well as their contract. And insurance carriers, they have a financial interest that's aligned with all of this. They don't want to have to pay out a claim, but the contracts exist to pay it out if it happens. And so with insurance carriers in particular, as well as the service providers, we're able to sit above the fray of all the noise of cybersecurity and really dig in and really look at what are the true risks that are happening here. And with the insurance carriers, we have all of the loss data that tells us, hey, yeah, these attacks are happening this way. We know how much these things could typically cost. So that's the type of partnerships, you know, this kind of triforce of service provider, carrier, and company, that if you're all working together and there's trust between them, that's how you can really start shifting the needle here towards, you know, lower risk and fewer attacks, because all working together in the same direction, you know, no one's out to get anyone in these types of situations.